Hello everyone, in this quick video I'll show you how to save audio in WhatsApp. Before starting the video, please make sure your WhatsApp app is updated, and this method will work on both iOS and Android. So just follow my steps. Open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap on three dot icon. Tap on settings. From the setting page, tap on storage and data. Now tap on when using mobile data. Select audio and tap on OK. Now tap on when connected to Wi-Fi. Select all the options, photo, audio, videos and documents, and press OK. Now close WhatsApp. Go to the phone file manager. If you don't find the WhatsApp folder, tap on the search icon and search for WhatsApp. Here is the WhatsApp audio folder. Now all the saved audio will be saved in this folder. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.